What's up, everybody? Today, doing a water heater tune-up. So I went to Home Depot, like $35. You got your heating elements, your thermostat, and lower thermostat, upper, lower. This is if you have two elements. You have one, it's going to be like right there, I believe, and that one. So I took a picture of the wiring before, so that way I know where what goes to what, and did the same down here. I didn't do this wiring right here, so let that be known. I might clean it up though. And so just turn off the water right there and turn off your power at the breaker box. And turn on your faucets, let the hot water get out, or remaining water, and then you start draining it. And that's what it's doing right now. Be sure to loosen one of these so that way it has air. It can drain out. This is what one of them looks like. This is what the top one looks like. So I'm glad I went ahead and got both the kits. Let's see what it looked like inside. Yeah, that's wild. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the wires down here and get it started. Yeah, this draining shit takes forever, yo. I have a water hose hooked up to the water heater inside, and I just got it gravity draining out here. And bro, my water bill finna be stupid high this month again like it was last month. Man, I was mad as fuck about that goddamn water bill getting that bitch. But I'm getting a little odds and ends shit fixed here. There's my baby. Yeah, I can't come outside without at least looking at it once. I'm gonna get to you soon. That thing looks so nice. This shit, I think it's done draining finally. I've been sitting out here for a few minutes smoking and just watching it, so let's go check. And it's empty. This is the old one. Yeah, these are probably the original ones that came with it. Alrighty, so now we got that. Gonna change out the electronics, the thermostats, wire those up, and then put the elements in. Yeah.